Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn SSL certificate information gathering in Metasploit. The SSL module queries a host or range of hosts and pull the SSL certificate information if present. Let's open up terminal, type MSF console, load SSL module into the MSF console, type use auxiliary/scanner/http/SSL. Type info. Here you can see that SSL module basic information. Module options are rhost, the target address range or CIDR identifier, rport, the target port, set remote host address as 192.168.1.100, typeset rhost 192.168.1.100. Let's execute it. You can see SSL certificate information. So that's it in this video on SSL certificate information gathering in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.